Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today, I have a package from eStarCase. I have become an affiliate of theirs. So if you do want to purchase any of this, you can use Kasha, K-A-S-I-A, for 12% off. But let's dive in. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. These stickers are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna open all of this up for you guys and show you what they sent me. So I have purchased multiple sticker books. These little things are gifts for them. I have finally figured out what this is. These are when you're doing like scrapbooking or journaling. It's kind of like a nice texture thing to put in there. Very interesting. And then they give you like this handmade card, which is gorgeous. This is with wood. It's a little gift. So yeah, and it's a little sheet of paper that you can glue in here, and comes with a little envelope and everything. So I've been collecting these for myself. I got another little traveler's notebook. It is fantastic on the go when I need to make notes and at work as well. And then another gift they gave me is this little album for stickers or for like little things, I think. So this is hard plastic, you guys, and it has these. I thought this might be good for all of these little things that I have in here. Like, look, I don't know if that's big. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. So I might be putting all of my like die cuts in there. I don't know yet, but I thought that was kind of fun and different, so we shall see. We'll put this in here for now. So those are the free gifts that they have sent me with my purchase. Let me put this little closer on it. Okay, then I have purchased the set of books. So it's called Black Dress, Grace, The Blood Countess, Fantasy, Season, and City Party. And then I also purchased all of these. So I'll show you what these are because I'm interested myself what these are. So let me show you. But I think these are rub-on, maybe. But look how cool they are. Like if you're doing something vintagey, these are so awesome. Let me show you one. White background or a cream background. Aren't these cool? So yeah, a little bit of everything. So this one is the yellow set. And then I purchased two more. So let me show you that. There's a purple, like purple pink. Okay. Yeah, these are awesome. And then there's a green one. So I didn't purchase a whole lot this time. I mainly went for the stickers, you guys. If you know me, you probably already knew that, but look how awesome. I figured that this is the stuff that I do in like my journaling. Take a look. Like this is this past week. So I figured that this is kind of right on the par with that. So I will be using those in there. I'm super excited about it. So I'm just gonna stick it in here. And let's go through all of these. Let's start with this one, which is kind of different. But before I do, I'm gonna open all of these because they make quite a bit of noise opening. So let me just do that really quick, and then we'll go through all of them. So yeah, I thought this might be kind of fun. Okay, so let's do this. The Blood Countess is first. Let me put this on the side. Take a look. Very like spooky, and I guess I'm ready for Halloween because look at these. Like very, very haunted. These are beautiful though. Like, look at these images. Black and white and red. Like if gothic style. So if you're watching like a scary series or something and you want to make a spread, this would be good too. Look at that. That's like a black widow here. So awesome. Look at these. These are amazing. Look at that. Wow. These are very, very cool. Lots of red roses, lots of black images. Very different. Not something that I do typically, but for Halloween, I thought it would be great. And it was part of the set, so yeah, pretty cool. So that's the Blood Countess. Next one is Grace, and I think this one is going to be one of my favorites. I mean, look at this. So cool. It's very like elegant and chic. Look at these. I love girls in my planners, if you guys haven't noticed. So I thought this would be a nice addition to my sticker pile, which is ever growing. These pages are so cute, and they're on like a washi. All of these are kiss cut, so you can just take them off the page. But yeah, these are going to go nicely, and then back to paper. But look how elegant. I love her. Toa. Okay. If you guys hear my doggy barking, he just came back from a walk and he's going crazy already. And I am filming this on his birthday. So he turned 1 today. Look at these boxes. This is like so chic. So this is Grace. So far, love it. Black dress should be another very like elegant one. Look how realistic these are. Oh my. Okay, these are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Look at this wedding one, kind of cool. Super black and white. I sometimes do like a full black and white spread. Look at these boxes. And then this is on clear. Good black and white spread, never goes wrong. So I thought that book was pretty fantastic as well. So again, these you can purchase. Look at these on eStarCase. I will have the links below. Next one is Fantasy Fairy Tale. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's like very princessy. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Sorry about the barking, you guys. I can't stop him. I've tried, believe me. Okay, and then again, this is on like a washi background. So it's going to go down a little bit differently on a page. It'll be almost like see-through. These are amazing. Look at these. I can't wait to use these books. They have so much fun. Look at this. Very cool. Look at these castles. Oh my gosh, and you have little creatures too. Birds, squirrels, white horses, and then look at these boxes. Aren't they amazing? Yeah. And then some furniture, and then some decorative pieces, and more like gold style boxes. So Fantasy Fairy Tale. Next up is City Party. So let's see. Wow. Is this Rome? I think so. Okay, look at these. These are like full scenes of buildings and little cities. Like look at the bakery. So cute. So it looks like one page is one theme, like you have that, then you have a little version of that building. Cool. Look at this. Yeah. Very, very nice. And then you have different scenes here. Very Parisian, at least to me. Look at these, so cute. And then we have beach vibes. Back to the city. Little town. And then these are medieval streets. Interesting. And then these are on that washy background. City streets. Winter. Oh, how cute is this? Look at the summer or fall, because the trees are turning, so I guess it's fall. Look at New York. Wow, some quotes with some really beautiful. Oh, night. Yeah, that's a cool page for sure. Cities by night. And then it says Christmas sale, but these are, oh, I see there's like snow in here. Okay, well, that was a cool book. The last one is called Seasons. So we start with green, yellow. Okay, then this is upside down. So there you go. But you have wave and ocean, and then, wow, okay, cool. Vintage. Very like paper roses. Okay, so this is the same page as in here. I'm not sure if that was meant to be. Okay, so we have spring. And then florals. And these are on a washi paper. And then back to green. Then we have pink. Yellow. 1980. Fall. Winter. More winter. Some fish elements. Some fall and spring elements like picnic and stuff. And then boxes. I'm not sure how this is seasons, but I can see how you can incorporate it into the seasons. Anyway, this is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one's your favorite. For me, I think this gray sticker book wins by far. It's by far my favorite. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another pen with me.